I would like to show you a beautiful one-bedroom apartment that we have available for rent, and I'm going to take a quick walk through the apartment and show you what we have here. The apartment is located on the ground level. It's not below ground apartment, it's right at the ground level, and the apartment is very large as far as one-bedroom apartments go, and it has tons of light. Today is a very dark day. There's a rain outside, but you can still see there's how much light is coming through the window. So we're here in the living room, and there are 3 windows. By the way, this is the entrance door, and there's a window in the door, and the window panes in the door, and there are 3 other windows, one on the north side and 2 on the east side of the building. The apartment is heated with the radiator heat, and it's controlled via thermostat. So it's independent from the rest of the building. You can set your own temperature. The thermostat's right here. So the apartment has hardwood floors throughout the apartment. They have beautiful, beautiful red oak hardwood floors. And they go even in the closets. Great feature. So we're gonna go into the bedroom, which is to the right here. And it's the same size as a living room, which is very generous space. Also 3 windows. Radiator here. Now on the opposite side here we have a dual closet. The whole wall is pretty much closets and has some built-in rail and shelf, and it's great size. So from here we can look into the living room back, and we're gonna come out and look here again. Now both living room and the bedroom have beautiful ceiling fans. So this is one here, and also one in the bedroom, same ceiling fan. And we're gonna turn to the right here and go into a little hallway, and to the left is the full bathtub and the shower, and we have pedestal sink. This is actually original tile. We had to replace some tile, and there's a full bathtub. And then what we've done is tiled around the window, so there's no wood trim. Wood trim, we found out, doesn't do very well around the windows in the shower, in the window in the shower. So we actually just tiled it around, and it works beautifully. Across from the bathroom, there's another closet, which is has some shelves built in on the left side, and on the right here is just some rail and rods. Now we turn left here, and we're entering the eat-in kitchen. And this kitchen is actually very, very generously, sized. These kitchen cabinets are about 2 years old, and there's beautiful floors here, also 2 years old. Appliances 2 years old. About 2 years old, we actually redone the whole building completely, and so these are recently renovated features. There's a beautiful double sink, and on this side there's a full-size refrigerator, 30-inch gas stove, and area right here is the kind of eating area. But the space between the gas stove and the refrigerator and the counter is 5 feet. So it's very generous space. And there are almost 9 feet of counter space here, and cabinets, lower cabinets, and the upper cabinets is the same thing, except there's a windbreak for the windows there. So this is what we have here, and I'm gonna take a quick walk back. Oh, one more thing. There's the door here, and that's direct access to the boiler room and the laundry room. So everybody else in the building has to go from the outside, and tenant in this apartment can go directly into the laundry room, so you don't have to go outside for that. There are a total of 3 units in the building, and this is the lower one. But as I mentioned, it's not below the ground. It gets tons of light here. In the morning, these windows are actually flooded with light, in the bathroom and the kitchen windows as well, because this is southeast side right here, south side and the east side. So that's all we have here. I'm gonna take quick repeat here in the living room so you can get another view, and this is the bedroom. And so we hope you like the apartment. Come to check it out in person. Thank you very much for watching.